Hello everyone, my name is Awais and I'm here to share my assignment of day 3 from Teknotrait. So let's begin with the assignment question. And the first question is, what is use of .pm file and why it is required? Privacy enhanced email certificate file are used to privately transmit data in a secured manner, which is unread and unaltered. .pm file is required because it is used to store secret values used by computers with the complex algorithm to encrypt and decrypt messages. Then the next question: why do we use AWS S3? Why can't we store files or images or static content on EC2 instance? Amazon Web Service simple storage service is is a simple web is a simple web service uh, interface which uh, where we for example, we could say we can store and retrieve any amount of data from any time and anywhere on the web. We can't why we can't store files or images or static content on EC2 instance? Because these these storage is present on disks of a host computer which is attached to it, and these are either temporary information of data which changes frequently, such as scratched data, cache, and buffer. Then the third question: what are non-relational databases and what is the main difference between relational database and NoSQL database, which is non-relational? Non-relational database is a set of data which is not in a structured manner, or I could say that it is not in a which is not related to each other, where we can store data but it is not related to each other, and there are no specific rows and columns in that data set. The main difference between relational database and no structured query language, I could say, that is non-relational. It is in a relational database, there will be rows and columns, and each data set is linked to one another. Like if we have one data of company name and the employee name and the employee address, where employee address is linked in the another table. Whereas non-relational database is a set of data which is not organized, and we could say it is unstructured, where we can store data but which is not linked to one another. Then the fourth one: how to decide whether we should use relational database or no non-relational database. This question is purely depends on what product or what software we are building. If you want to build, such as if there in a product there is something specific which is related to each other, like for example, I could say, if there is if we are creating an email or a specific platform where the connections are where our connections are involved to each other, so we can use a relational database. If we want to store data, then we may opt to that non-relational databases. That's all for today. Thank you.